For the quick weave, I have 4 bundles. Okay, the blonde trying to do something. Talk to me. Alright y'all, I'm on the roll. I'm going from one style to the next. I just did this wig. It is synthetic, so click the link down below to go check her out. It's a shorts, so not too much, so go click her, okay? Yeah. For the quick weave, I have 4 bundles. I have 3 packs of 20-inch straight. I have 1 pack of the 20-inch 613. Should I do this underneath to give a little peekaboo? I don't know. Or should I put it throughout to give it some highlight? Maybe I'll do throughout. All right, so I'm ready to go ahead and do my ball cap. I'm using this Morning Glory here. Well, it's about 30 seconds. This is a weave protectant. And then I recommend using a black cap, but I do not have a black cap, so I will be using this tan one. And let's go ahead and get this off because I glued it on. So enough of you. Okay, so I sectioned out, doing like a side part. So here's my leave out. This coming straight down and then straight back cornrows, continuing back to the back. And I did like a little anchor braid right here. So that's my layout. So that, you know, I'll be able to flip it over. Now, the video that I watched, the girl had the entire front section of her hair out. But my bundles are straight. And I didn't know how that was going to look. So, I don't know how this is going to look. We're experimenting together. Hopefully, I didn't leave too much out. Because the girl video that I watched, her hair was thin. This is a lot out. Wait a minute. Alright, so here's my leave out. Way thinner. Now, if your hair is thin, you can leave about how much I had out the first time, but I had to reconsider. I don't need that much leave out. And then my leave out short. It's short and it's natural and it's not that texture. So we're just gonna leave this little Pikachu out. You see, just that little bit. Still can flip it on over. Now I'm going to do my weave protectant. I'll leave a link down below that goes more into detail on my method. But for now, we're just gonna shoot right through this. And really quick, I do want to mention that this is a glue protectant. So you are supposed to apply it directly to your hair, which will protect your hair from the glue. This, it's just another barrier. It does not completely protect your hair from the glue. So that's why I add the glue protectant directly to my hair as well as on top of my stocking. You'll see a lot of people just put their stocking directly on. I've done it before and then apply their glue protectant, but that's not the correct way. Glue still seeps through the wig cap. So I like to go in and add it first. So then when it's time for me to remove this, it comes off with ease. Quick disclaimer. If you have any rebuttal about this is too much product, it's going to break your hair off, blase blase, take your finger and go like this. Okay? I gotta let oh. And you see how it's on my fingers, but it looked like how, you know, like the school Elmer's glue dries up. That's how it is on your hair. See that? How you can just peel it off. Same concept on your hair. This is the hair glue I'm using. And I only applied this hair glue around the perimeter where my leave out will be. Okay, let's roll with it. This hair is so silky. I love the blunt ends. It's real silky, but you get a little bit. Just a little bit, baby girl. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. But I do have 4 bundles. So I'm going to make sure I spread these out. So this is like one bundle, you can say. This is what the wefts look like. I have to be mindful of how much hair I have as I work my way up. Okay, 613. And the same thing for the blonde piece, about the same amount of hair. That's what the wefts look like. Okay, so I'm just going to apply my tracks, you know, no specific order. Put one here and then the rest will go over this little lump in the back. That's about how much glue I can get on each track. Make sure I blow dry each track. Okay, let me turn around because I want to make sure I don't go past this line right here where my leave out is. And I can bring this up to my edges. And then I can still go back in and cut this cap right here. Alright, let's do a little piece of the blonde. That's what I'm doing. That look about right. We just gonna go for it. Whatever. Okay, the blonde trying to do something. Talk to me. Ooh, I got a lot of space and I have one more bundle left. Dang, it's 10:30. I don't know if I'm going to make it because I have to finish my hair. So if I go, I go. The event is how to use AI for your business. And it's from 11 to 3. So even if I'm not right on time, the most I will allow myself to be late is like 45 minutes. My hair is eating with these blonde pieces. I always do a solid blonde section, never really like blonde throughout, and baby, it eats. Okay, so this is my last and final black bundle. Alright, so this last track, I will flip it the opposite way. So have it coming down towards my face. This is heat protected. I have some beeswax. Dang, what track was this? That one at the bottom, I knew I shouldn't have added. Okay, whatever. What is going on over here and why is there so much blonde? Good thing this one did slip from the back because I'm over here playing doctor. How convenient. Look at God. Don't worry. Next time I know not to bring my blonde up too high or to make sure I cover it with enough black tracks. Now let's see. Now my holding spray. Let's see if I can add some like nice big curls to this hair. It's so silky, so let's see. Okay, let's yeah. Let's add that throughout. And I'm using my flat irons because I want it real loose. This my girl. Just take the end of my comb, fluff this out just a little. I'm scared to even look at the time. Like I don't even want to know. I know it's late. Is that curl how I want it? Because what are you doing? So this is the finished look of my Quickweave flip over. Okay. With the curls. Now I wonder what it looked like when it was straight. It was real cute straight, but yeah. Here's the finished look. This is 20 inches, 4 bundles. And this hair is really soft. As you can see, it holds a curl. I would recommend like 5 bundles though, because they are really thin, but it's really good quality hair. It's really good. Alright y'all, so here's an update. I'm just now getting back. Tell me why I got to the event at 11:45. Just in time to get me some food. They had Chick-fil-A too. Okay. But this is my hair. My curls did fall. It's raining. I was running out in the rain, which you can see right here. It's a little frizzy. I'm already straightening it back again. Alright y'all, so it looks so good straightened. Like, I'm happy I got the curls, but straightened, it eats. And I think it just looked good with how I have my hair pulled over to the side like this. Let me know which one is your favorite, curled or straightened. Alright, go get yours.